how to set up Google Authenticator on ByBit. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the ByBit application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon and further tap on the security option. You will then see the option for Google 2FA authentication. Toggle on the button for 2FA authentication. You will then receive a verification code that you have registered ByBit with. So go ahead and enter the verification code and tap on the confirm button. You will then be required to download Google Authenticator app on your device. Tap on the continue button and then copy the code key you see here. Now go ahead and download the Google Authenticator app from your App Store or your Play Store if you do not already have the app. Now, launch the Google Authenticator app and sign in with the same email address that you used to register ByBit, and further tap on the plus icon you see there. Now, tap on the enter a setup key option and then enter the account name as ByBit and enter the key that you copied earlier. Finally, tap on the add button and a code will be generated for ByBit. Copy the code and paste it further in ByBit, and with this, your Google Authenticator will set up successfully. So this is how you can set up Google Authenticator on ByBit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.